I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quail egg Kwek Kwek. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Gently boil about 2 dozen quail eggs for approximately 5 minutes until they are perfectly firm. Once cooked, cool them down quickly in an ice bath. This makes peeling much easier. Carefully remove all the shells, ensuring the eggs remain intact and smooth. This initial step is crucial for a delightful Kwek Kwek experience. Next, we'll create the vibrant orange batter that gives Kwek Kwek its signature look. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Add 1 teaspoon of annatto powder for that beautiful color, along with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of water until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. The batter should be thick enough to coat the eggs evenly. Now for the exciting part, coating and frying. Heat about 3 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Take each peeled quail egg and fully submerge it in your prepared batter, ensuring a generous, even coating. Carefully drop the coated eggs into the hot oil, frying them in batches. Cook until they turn a beautiful golden orange and are crispy all around. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade Kwek Kwek. Once fried, transfer the golden eggs to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. This keeps them perfectly crispy. Kwek Kwek is best served hot and fresh. Pair it with your favorite dipping sauce, such as a tangy sweet and sour sauce or a spicy vinegar dip. These delightful street food treats are perfect for a snack or appetizer. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.